In addition to working on your Construct 2 projects in the lab, if you have a Windows-based computer at home that meets the minimum requirements, you can install Construct 2 using a student take-home license. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. You need to get the software and license from me, and then watch this video and follow the steps to install the software at home. Once you do, you'll be able to do all the great things you do in the lab at home. So let's get started. Let's go to our flash drive, Windows E. Make sure your USB flash drive is connected to your computer. And if it is, you should see your flash drive. Here's mine. I'm going to double click on it. Before you go through this video, make sure you get from me the installation software for Construct 2, and you're going to get this license file. It's called c2license.txt. If you open this up, it should have your name in it, and that's how we know that it's your education take-home license. All right, right click on the executable. Remember, only install and use the Construct 2 release that I give you. If you have the Run as Administrator option, choose that. Otherwise, choose Open. Follow the prompts. Select Yes. Next. Accept the agreement. Accept the default installation location, which is C Program Files, Construct 2. Click Next. Have Construct 2 auto-detect what kind of computer you have, and click Next. And definitely create a desktop icon. Next, and install. Should only take about 30 seconds. When Construct 2's installation is complete, it'll show you this Setup Wizard dialog box. Uncheck the Check for Graphics Driver Update, and let's go ahead and click Launch Construct 2. You're probably going to see something like this. At the top of the page, it'll say Construct 2 Free Edition. We need to use a licensed edition, so there's a couple other things we need to do. I'm going to remind you of this plenty, but one more time. Do not update the software. Only use the software update, the release that I give you. So when you see this dialog box, check for updates, check for beta updates, don't check for updates, make sure you choose don't check for updates. Never update the Construct 2 software and never use a release that's different than the one I give you. So click don't check for updates. It'll tell you that it won't check for updates, and that's okay with us. Close this out. And this is what the free edition of Construct 2 looks like. We need to license our version, so we're going to go ahead and close out the program. The free edition has this countdown feature. We're going to close that. Go back to your flash drive. Highlight the c2license.txt file. Right-click, copy. Now we're going to go to our computer on the C drive, Program Files, Construct 2. We're going to right-click and we're going to paste our license file in the C Program Files Construct 2 directory. You may be asked for permission. Give permission and continue. Now we can close this out. Let's go back to our desktop, and right here, Construct 2, that's our program. Let's launch it. Now you'll notice in the splash screen, the lower right-hand corner, it'll say Education Take-Home License, and you should see your name. If you've gotten this far, then Construct 2 is ready for you to use. Let's go ahead and close it. Okay, let's recap. Make sure you get the Construct 2 software and license from me. Use what you've learned in this video to install it. Never update the software. Disable update checking. Just use the version I give you. Make sure you copy your license into place and that you verified it before you begin.